I'm Abhishek Mehra. I got through UPSC Indian Economic Services of 2025, and for that I'm really thankful to Ravinder Jha sir for their guidance. I followed recorded lectures of Bliss Point and then supplemented it with my college notes. And then in subsequent revisions, I keep on adding value addition topics like economic survey or budget and any other current affair news related to economics. And I'm also thankful to Mamta ma'am for the support. And before the interviews, we had limited time. I was at RPSC as part of RBI's induction program, so I relied upon the online mock interviews conducted by Bliss Point and a couple of other mock interviews, and that I think really helped me. Overall, I'm very thankful to Bliss Point for their support and guidance in this journey. Thank you.
Namaskar. My name is Sambhav Patni. I secured All India Rank 9 in UPSC Indian Economic Service Examination 2025. I want to thank Ravinder sir and the entire Bliss Point team for their contribution in this achievement. I registered in interview program with Bliss Point. Their mock interviews helped me in improving my communication skills, presentation skills, and also in gaining confidence required for the final day interview. Lastly, my message is to all the fellow aspirants to stay motivated, stay focused, and be cheerful even in the setbacks and failure, and keep believing in yourself. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Saurabh Yadav and this year I have secured rank 5 at the Indian Economic Service Examination. Through this video, I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to the Bliss Point team for their invaluable support and excellent guidance. If I talk about my preparation strategy, then for the written examination, I had relied on the standard sources, and besides that, I had solved last 10 years previous year question paper, which really helped me in identifying the key themes of the paper and the questions that are designed and how they have evolved over the years. Besides that, I had also joined Bliss Point Test Series program, which helped me in terms of aligning my answers and improving my structural presentation in the paper. And also for the interview mock session, I had joined at the Bliss Point, and which really helped me in terms of refining the way I presented my thoughts with clarity and confidence. So it was overall a good learning experience at the Bliss Point, and I would like to extend my wishes to the future aspirants in their preparation. Good luck, and just have faith in your abilities. I know there are at times when we feel low, but we have chosen this path, so we should be having faith in ourselves and be honest with yourself. And I hope in the future you will get what you want. And thank you.